How to find your username and password on Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1 2 Step. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you how to know your name or find your username and the password of your Spotify account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up your Spotify app. And to find the username, you can just tap on the settings icon that you see on the top right. And here exactly you can see the name that you have on your Spotify. But however, this is not the exact username of your Spotify. To find your Spotify username, you need to open up the Spotify on your web browser on your desktops or laptops, because you can only find that username within the website using the desktops. Username on Spotify includes numbers and letters and would not be your name, similar to this. This is rather called a display name of Spotify. So if you need to find someone on Spotify, you can easily enter in the username, which you can find on the website. So that's a way of finding the username. And secondly, to find the password of Spotify, from the settings you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page, tap on support. From the support page of Spotify, scroll down and under quick helps, you'll see an option of can't remember login details. We're doing this process because you cannot straight away find your password of Spotify. So in this case, what you can do is reset it. But however, if you have saved your password on your Google Passwords Manager, you can easily view it. Or if you're using an iPhone and if you have saved it under your passwords of iPhone, you can view it. But however, you cannot do it within the app of Spotify. So in that case, you'll need to reset your password. So from this section, tap on reset your password, type in your email address or your username and tap on send. Now a password reset link will be sent to your email address. Just open up your email. As you can see, that mail has been received. Now all you need to do is tap on reset password. And as you can see, the username is also visible right here. And it includes numbers and letters. So this is the exact username of your Spotify. Now here, tap on reset password and then create a new password for yourself. You need to do this process, like I said, if you have not saved your password on the Google Password Manager, or if you're using an iPhone, on the password section of your iPhone. So here, just create a new password for yourself. In the second box, repeat the password. And after that, tap on send and your password will be successfully reset. And the next time you log into your Spotify, you'll need to use the new password that you just created. So that was the process on how to find your username and password on Spotify. Give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.